My child, don't be ashamed of your hustle. No matter your level, people will always talk. Whether you are rich or poor, mockery will come. A job is a job if it is honest. Earning your own money is better than waiting for free help from others. There is nothing wrong with starting small. Growth comes with patience and effort. When you are broke, those mocking you won't feed you or pay your bills. So why care about opinions? Take pride in your hustle and keep pushing. Work with dignity and integrity. Don't let words stop your progress. In the end, your hard work will speak louder than judgment. God bless you.